Wow, have we got something exciting for you today?
Oh God! No! Not even a base! Not even a base!
A skateboard that does not chip. It's just cold. It doesn't do anything. We did not spray it in his mouth.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry.
How are your
It's been a while since you've been here. It's just a little initiation fee for not coming around so much.
I know.
You know?
I'm sorry.
We invited you out and you didn't come to
I was
Braille Bonding Time dinner. So seriously now, this board has this thing right here. It looks just like a regular skateboard, you would never know. But right there, regular plies, and then right there, chip resistant. Some say it can't be broken. Some say it can't be chipped.
No.
Some say
that they haven't met me.
will not chip this ever. Some say that when you pop, it is snappier, poppier, grippier, groppier.
Crackler.
Our all-new patent-pending chip-resistant PowerPly technology features 2 black layers of reinforcement material in the nose and tail, replacing the crosser wood plies with a standard 7-ply deck. I do not know what crosser plies mean either, but it appears to be just these 2 right here. By replacing the crosser with PowerPly, you add strength to the nose and tail edges. This reduces susceptibility to impact, chips, and damage from fences, walls, kickouts downstairs. In addition to PowerPly being more chip and damage resistant, there is a snappier feel and sound to the nose and tail. So technically they didn't say that it was unbreakable, unbeatable, but I think it will. This video is not a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form, but any time that Fetty can get in front of something that is a challenge to break, chip, snap, flake, flop, or
I'm just helping out their research.
science team, he would love to get the chance to make science happen. You sprayed it in my mouth.
Yeah, you did. I could feel it.
At least it wasn't Carlos's pepperoni.
Let's go skate this. All I can hear is Troy crunching pigskin.
It's a weird day.
It is. So let's see if this is snappier. Sounds snappier. I said sounds snappier. Fetty said sounds the same. Yeah, feels snappy.
Really?
Yeah, feels good. What are we gonna do with this? Just kickflip off? Woo, child! Pick any one of your wang dings.
It was snappy to the
Hey,
ear.
it snapped.
It's like a snapping turtle.
They really snapped on this one.
Oh! Why?
I was going to nose manual.
Go.
He has the entire floor to do a kickflip. He goes 20 miles an hour and is 3 feet from the ramps in the wall.
That was a Daniel move, right?
That was exactly a Daniel move.
What's happening?
Literally, they all looked outside and they said, "Hey, there's a rainbow," and Mario went, "Oh!"
Come on, this is a nice wholesome moment. Let's go check it out.
Oh, rainbow and the police. Finally, they've come to take us.
Yeah, I'm
see it.
thugged out, but I ain't that thugged out. It's a rainbow.
There it is.
There it is.
Got it.
Oh, sorry, it's just a rainbow. Nothing to see here. The cop was like, "Hey."
How was that?
That was scary.
No chips yet. Barely even scraped the paint. Simulate a bunch of falls.
And like realistic boards being tossed into walls.
Well, we have to do some like various tests though, you
Yeah.
know? We're gonna have to scrape it a little bit, you know? We're gonna have to throw it. Oh yeah. Straight into
You
it.
have the snowman.
Wow. That was quite good. Well, it smudged it. That's about
A little
it.
scrape on the lens.
All did was smudge. Give it a wang dang, go.
A dang wanga on flat.
Wow. Daniel, first try. Sorry, I called him Daniel. His name is Uzi. First try, 540 flip. Biggest Jamba Juice they make.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh snap.
You can't lie about science. He did a 540 flip.
Hang on, I gotta try it again. I'm gonna land it.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I mean, I think that was from Carlos.
Just some dust.
Straight up nothing. Dude, that's actually really impressive. You sent that.
Yeah.
Ooh, no. Can you imagine what it would feel like that going into your shins, dude? Cup of coffee.
I swear I can land that.
Benny. I'm not so worried about it going through drywall.
You got it, Fetty! Ow! Anything?
Do that down the 5 and act like he's falling, or we could just let Luke try another kickflip.
Let Daniel try Smith grind down the rail.
I'll take it. That was a good one.
Nothing.
What's the point of that?
Minor dent, nothing
little
too
dent,
crazy.
but-
No chip.
I would like you to simulate a slip out on flat ground.
Give the man a chance.
The worst idea. I should not have said it.
Not to the walls that are made out of stuff.
Go on top of the Braille drop and just throw it down.
Just acting.
That was so rude.
Clear the area!
What in the... Dude!
Seems pretty durable.
You gotta give us some warning.
Thing's pretty durable.
Protect the lights.
Oh, protect them. You shall not pass. I was gonna protect it.
Light flashed before my eyes.
Wouldn't be the first time.
I'm gonna pitch it to Aaron.
Okay. Get down.
There's no kidding when it comes to safety. You know what they say? They say, safety once, watch twice.
What in the world?
Here comes Fetty.
Still nothing.
Can you let Fetty get a swing?
I think I'm gonna miss.
Wow!
Yeah, it did. Wait, no, that's a grip
That's a grip.
Okay, so the black part is what's reinforced, and it goes to right there. So the second the black part ends, it basically chipped like the entire tail.
That felt amazing.
Look at
that right there.
that one.
You can tell how poppy it is, though.
Yeah, I did notice a lot
It's
of more,
crisp,
a lot more
much.
pop than a normal board.
I think it's still pretty good though.
I mean, it was only the stress of a semi-professional, destructive, capable force.
Semi-professional baseball player versus skateboard.
Exactly.
It's still alive. It still has life.
Full hit through. Give me a blunt to fakie.
I knew something was coming, right? That's why I aimed.
Why does everyone go after me?
Luke really wants to see the. I'll try it once. Fine.
It actually broke the bat. Look, the bat is fully cracked. You can
way.
see the blue paint right there, and then it's cracked to the bat.
My destruction is spreading.
Not even a lie. That looked very cool.
Do you think it chipped it?
I don't even think it chipped.
Can I send it to the wall now?
I think the whole nose, bro.
Yeah, I think we know how far it's reinforced. It's reinforced to right there. We're gonna give it far more than one more wang dang. Give it a full wang dang.
You know what's very interesting to me is that the grip tape comes off like that.
You know what they say? Double tap. We got the layer! Look, we can study it now! Wow, it's carbon fiber.
Is it really?
I think it's safe to say how far the layer goes. It goes to about there. It's
Yeah,
actually,
this
yeah, you're
didn't
right.
chip.
Don't we have like a full 100% carbon fiber skateboard? Chip test coming soon.
Wait, look, you could probably still pop off that. Wow. No
It
way.
still pops. It's a silent pop. It still pops.
I
Look,
did
I
it.
need a pitch.
I'm so proud I did it.
I need a
I'm
pitch.
so proud. I mean, it still skates. I mean, it's still good.
We have tested it to the extreme circumstances.
Yeah.
Regular board would have chipped within the first like 5 minutes of all the stuff that we did.
The baseball test, I think I would have made it to the truck.
Just as snappy as ever. Mario Hakai wants to go Super Saiyan and give it a wang danga.
You want to hear a heck guy?
Yeah.
Come on, dude. No, I want him to throw it first before I scream, dude. Dude, now I see why Fetty does what he does.
I was so afraid Mario was gonna swing and like I was gonna take it back.
No, it's good. It's golden. It's perfect.
Oh my god!
One slip of the hand and Troy would have been dead.
It comes off this way.
I mean, we're not crazy.
Full counter.
Sumo stance, Fetty. Sumo stance.
I think I hit the truck.
We bungee it into the snowman.
Genius!
No. All right, so this part is reinforced with that black carbon fiber in there. So I'm gonna put it down like this, and we're gonna see what happens to the side, which is not reinforced. All right, Notification Squad, leave it in the comments below, #Notification Squad, and leave your guess of how many hits with a baseball bat does it take to cut a skateboard in half.
One more.
Wow.
It does look kind of beautiful, though.
Break it.
You got a lot of anger in there.
He was like, and the bat was like,
Bat almost did hit you in the face right there.
Yeah.
That was scary.
Come on, Mario, give me one more scream.
Yes.
wow.
Uzi. Oh, no. Never mind.
Yeah, you see, that ply is wood, and then it just perfectly integrates into the carbon fiber.
That's sick. The walk-off home run!
Got him.
Chip test successful. Click right there to go and check out all of the other videos. You guys will love them. They are an absolute blast. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for any skateboard gear that you need. We'll see you in the next video. You guys rock.